Hey everyone, today we are at Legoland California for the day. Where are we?
Legoland California.
It opens in about what, 10-15 minutes?
It opens at 10, so it's open now.
It opens at 10:30. It's a beautiful day.
So we was at Disneyland.
And now we're at Legoland.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
For one day.
Alright, we're in. We're going to check out the new Dino Valley. Carson, are you excited to go to Dino Valley?
Yeah.
It looks fun, doesn't it? It's beautiful out. Hi, Carter.
I'm excited for the roller coaster.
Which one? Coastersaurus?
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you guys have videos, you guys can look at my videos because I made some videos.
Alright, you guys ready for Dino Valley?
Pre-order.
Sad day, the Coastersaurus is closed, so we're going to do the Duplo Little Dino Trail.
I think there's like a raft ride.
No minimum height. Okay, Chloe, you gotta take pictures, lots of photos. Sit down. You ready? Here we come. There's number one. Just take lots of pictures. So you gotta take pictures of the dinos. Pew! What's that noise? Okay, Carson, what are we on now?
River Quest.
We didn't do this ride last time either, and it says, beware, watch out, explorers, dinosaurs ahead. Look out for the spiny dinosaur. Hey, you guys are sitting together?
What? Who's sitting together?
So up here, these dinosaurs look like they're made out of Lego. That's cool.
Because they all make buildings.
Everything in Legoland's made out of Lego? Right there. Whoa. We are entering the secret dinosaur cave. What I see is eggs. I think it's gonna be a giant dinosaur. Whoa, it's a T-Rex, do you think? See it up there? That was a fun ride. We're heading into Lego Movie World. Did they get rid? Oh, they still have the playground. And they have a carousel. Oh, and you know what? That Kitty's flying coast, the Kitty's disco drop was closed last time we came.
Yeah, but it's open.
Okay, we just finished at Lego Movie World, and Cody is not feeling the best, so we're moving on to Duplo Playtown, which I think we'll stop at, I'm guessing. Camden will be excited, don't you think?
Because there was this ride that like drops like.
Yeah, I got a little motion sick, I think.
Yeah, I went like on his pants.
He's not. I don't think he's not. I think he's not sick with a tonic.
All right, next ride is the Skipper School. You gotta drive your own boat, Camden. You ready to go drive a boat, Cody? Come on. You're tall enough, Cam.
I wish.
Camden, are you gonna drive? He's not the best driver. We've crashed into the wall multiple times. But it's Skipper's school, so you have to learn how to drive, right, Cam? And now we're going on this pirate ship ride. Or the boat battle ride. You don't want to get wet, though.
And I'm riding.
You'll get soaked.
If they were like, no, I don't want to go. Are you excited?
That looks crazy, right? Okay, we're going on a Lego deep sea adventure now. This is a cool ride. It looks like a walk-on. You have to press that when you find it, Camden. You have to find it. See the fish? Isn't that cool? Alright, they're going on the castle jouster. I'll get a video when they come around. How is it, Carson?
And after we want to ride the dragon coaster.
Bye. Hi, Cody. Cody, hi. Hey, how was it?
Good.
Do you have fun?
Yeah.
How was the dragon coaster? Was it super fun?
Yeah.
Was it scary? Was it scary?
No.
No? Good.
So fun. And I ride it also.
Did you have fun?
It's my second time riding this. I think I go to all these rides at the Legoland.
I think you have.
But I did.
All right, let's go to the next ride. There's Washington, D.C. This is where Cooper's going to be going with his school this summer. At the White House over there where Donald J. Trump lives. The price of eggs have dropped significantly since yesterday. I wonder if they're going to be adding something right here. It looks like, Carson, look over there, they're building something. Sad, the Las Vegas one is all under construction. That was like my favorite one.
Yeah, that was my favorite.
Oh, look down there, there's more.
Wait, can we go down to
Yeah, I had to take the stroller. This here is Miniland San Diego. Look at that, it's so cool. On the baseball stadium over here. The Padres Stadium.
You can't go forward. Stop! Please stop.
See Petco Park?
San Diego.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa! The park thing. Dad, can you take a picture? Long Beach is in Anaheim, right?
Yeah. Alright, here's SoFi Stadium. This is huge. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I want to know how to make it. Where it's so tall. Dad, can you take a picture of it? How do you take a picture of it?
That is so cool.
Can you take a picture?
So this is Hollywood, or Legowood. Chinese theater back there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, they call it Lego wood.
That's San Francisco over there. Okay, they're over in the Ninjago playground. We'll let them play for a while. Camden, can you show the video how you climb up the yellow stairs? So brave, come over this way.
Camden, this way.
This way. The big yellow stairs. Over here. Can you show us? Grandpa wants to see.
Welcome aboard. Please remain seated. Keep your arms in legs inside the train at all times.
We just ran across the park to get on the Duplo train. All 8 of us in one train. Camden and Carter are driving it. Drive safe, guys. There's so many of us. Hey guys, we are back from Legoland. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had to edit out a lot of like me talking because I had, at the time I didn't know this, but I had picked up a nasty MRSA infection while we were down in California. It actually ended up in the hospital for it and had to like get it drained. It was disgusting. But that's why you didn't see my face much. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.